today's video, we got this car show here, and we're going to do a Burnout and a REV comp with them. And today I'm with Owen. He's also in the video today. So let's start. We're going to start with the two Japanese cars first. I'd say they're real comparable.
Yeah.
Drop a comment
Did you
below.
get them on video?
Yeah. Drop a comment below which one you think is better. Now we're gonna do burnouts and drifts. Alright, next cars. We got the two BMW type cars here. I'll go first. Alright, now Owen, you're next.
Yeah, mine doesn't have that good of a REV.
Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna go do burnouts. Mustang roleplay over here.
Okay, now let's do a different car.
We got the slammed cars. We got the Gavro V8 versus the Abishu Pessima LX with the V6. Let's go. He goes first this time.
I'd say you win that.
And now the burnouts. That was all the crappy winner cars, basically all the best sounding cars. Now we're just doing whatever cars are left, just everyone else that isn't in the competition.
You're in the passenger seat?
Yep.
Alright.
Now we got this multi-million-dollar Ferrari type car, so let's go. And honestly, now I see why this wasn't in the REV battle. It does good burnouts. It would be good in a burnout battle or whatever, but it just would not make it to the REV battle. Next car. 2, 1. Okay, now we got this Abishu Pessima. This seems to be the all-wheel drive version of it, or it might be rear wheel. We're not too sure, but let's go. It sounds amazing. Has good turbos. Alright, this is going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Peace out. That's just fucking lovely.
I did not mean to do that.